Good morning, everyone. I thought this morning we'd explore my hometown of Laie. And the spelling on that is L-A-I-E. In other words, every vowel is pronounced, which is fairly typical in the Hawaiian language. Our town of Laie is located 35 miles north of Honolulu, and generally you get there by taking the Cam Highway, which runs along the windward shores of Oahu and heads out towards the North Shore. Population of around 6,000 people. A good 75% of them are with the Latter-day Saints, the Mormon Church, which has a huge temple here that we'll explore. They own a lot of land. They own this shopping center, matter of fact, which is very convenient with a grocery store, movie theaters, hardware store, which is what I really like, and a whole bunch of fast food places. And I like to get off this path as much as possible. So I've created a 10-mile ride right here in the neighborhood that gets me away from that traffic. Good morning. It is a gorgeous morning here. The temple was built 105 years ago by Joseph Smith and Company. And they spent a lot of time and a lot of effort and money keeping the grounds immaculate. It's gorgeous. Visitors are not allowed in the temple. Only members of the church are allowed. But they don't hold any services here. Our next stop on the tour of Laie will be Brigham Young University. That's a very nice campus. You guys picked a good day to go on tour. Notice all the flags? There are a lot of international kids that come to this school. So this is the administration building. So one of the reasons I'm showing you the BYU campus is it's a great place to ride my trike. Staying off Cam Highway. Traffic, and I can get maybe up to 3 miles worth of riding. They're building more dorms. About 2 years ago, the university decided to eliminate athletic programs so they could concentrate more on academics and put more money towards that. I was so looking forward to BYU basketball games. Oh well, they've got a great school nearby high school called Kahuku, which is always in the top ranking of high schools in the state, especially in football. They send a lot of boys to the pros. So these are all the dorms. And that, my friends, is the Brigham Young University. That building there is the Polynesian Culture Center. We'll go around and take a look at that. Next to the Polynesian Culture Center is the Hukilau Marketplace. Lots of little tourist shops and eateries, a little more high-scale eateries. And I like some of the shops they have. They're really cool Pacific Islander motif, if you will. Here's a decent restaurant, Pounders. So this is the Polynesian Culture Center, which is owned by the Mormons, and it's the state's largest living museum. Guests can take the tour of 8 tropical islands where performers and artisans demonstrate their crafts and their arts. At night, they have fire dancing and music and dance and a huge Hawaiian feast called a luau. So it's a great place to explore. Come out on the North Shore and check it out. Conveniently, right next to the Polynesian Culture Center is a Courtyard Marriott. Well, to finish off our trike ride around Laie, I thought I'd take you on a little trail that I have, which is behind the Brigham Young University. It's a gravel road that goes off to a quarry, but it's also another great place that I can get away from traffic, mostly. Again, get out into that fresh air. Okay, sometimes the air is not so fresh, but it's a good ride.
My paradise, now that you're gone, where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me. I miss your hula hands that sang and danced for me. Your caress in the night under that palm tree swaying. Ooh, Waikiki, where I first met you. Sands of silver and gold. Take me back to paradise, to my sandy shore, where we surf the rolling wave, sunshine and air.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Laie. We got to see a couple attractions that we feature at my hometown, the Mormon Temple, the BYU University, and the Polynesian Culture Center. Hope you guys have a great day. I look forward to sharing more videos with you as we move north around the island of Oahu. Have a great day. Aloha.
Take me back to paradise, to my sandy shore, where we surf the rolling wave, sunshine every day. was my paradise. Now that you're gone, where are those haunting eyes? You